What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. And in this video I will be reviewing this headband wig. I purchased this headband wig off of Elevate Styles, and it's by Zury, and it is a synthetic headband wig. So this is a throw on and go headband wig. I got it in the color number 2, and it's 14 inches, and it's in the style VBH Crimp. Try this baby on. I'm excited to try this on. I should have prepped my hair. Like, my edges is like through my goo right now. So this is what it looks like on the model. And then, wait, can you guys even see that? There we go. And then, wow. Like I said, I purchased this on Elevate Style, and it's this soft like velvet. Oh, it's so soft. It's not as stretchy as the ones I've used before, but let's get into the construction of the wig. So it has a comb here, like all the wigs I've been reviewing lately. Comb in the back, a comb here, comb there, and this is just what it looks like. All right, I think I'm gonna do my edges, y'all, and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I am back, and I tried to customize my edges as best as I could. And yeah, y'all, I love this so much. This is so cute. This is so cute. I love the crimps. Like, back in the day, you guys, I wore crimps in my ponytail all the time. Like, it was my go-to. But this is so cute. So this is what the crimps look like up close. So cute. 14 inches, and I love it so much. The hair is super soft. It is, it's so soft. I got a little bit of shedding. See, there's none right now, none. But I pulled out like one strand of hair, which is a plus for me, because I do not like when I get wigs, if I didn't cut the lace, because sometimes I accidentally will cut the hair, and I can understand that. But hair that just be shedding, to be shedding, I hate that. And this is the plus for me, that y'all, this is so soft. This is so cute. Like, it is so cute. Y'all, I got some more Tisha vibes going on right now. Black. Well, my hair is not black, it's the color too, but this is so cute, you guys. And it matches. I love that so much. So you guys, that is pretty much it. It is safe to heat up to 400 degrees. This was super affordable. Like, I've been trying both. Like, I've been trying synthetic headband wigs, and I've been trying human hair headband wigs. I love them both. So this one is definitely a winner. It makes me want to get my crimpers and try to like crimp it. Like, I miss getting crimped. This is so cute. So I'll purchase this from Elevate Styles, you guys. I'll have the link where you can find this beautiful wig down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.